Hey everybody, Dylan Geddes here, Gnarled Iron Forge. Pleasure to see you again. Today I'm going to be repurposing some of my smaller hooks that I made a while back. They didn't sell so well because they looked terrible and I made them a long time ago and I can do better. But I was looking at one and I was thinking to myself, my little snails. Here's some unfinished ones. Little snails. They do really well. So I want to continue on that whole, I want to continue that part of blacksmithing and make little trinkets and see how they do. Not only that, but I'm an avid D&D player. And I was thinking it'd be really neat if I can make a little coiled snake for a giant constrictor snake for Dungeons and Dragons to play, or any tabletop game rather. So today, we're just going to be repurposing these smaller hooks into giant constrictor snake. At first, we are going to uncoil this scroll. Just go ahead and flatten this whole bar out. Just like so. Now, if you were to start this from scratch, the only thing that would be different was you would just have to draw this taper out, which you've seen me do many times. Now, just a little bit of refinement here. And we're gonna make this nice and tight. Just like so. And now we're just gonna go ahead and continue chasing that scroll, keeping it nice and tight. Just like that. Dragging blows across the top face, make sure not to strike the same place twice. Tapping on the side of the anvil really tightens in that scroll. Now we got the body of the snake done. It's time to move on to the head. Now for the head, what we're gonna do is we are gonna draw a slight taper. A nice and aggressive point. To begin to shape that head. Now this will be very similar to the spade finials that we do on the top of our hooks. What we will do now next heat is we will hold this on the edge of the anvil, diagonal facing us, and we will strike on that diagonal to flatten this out and create sort of a leaf shape. Now I will be leaving this slightly thicker towards the front and then thinning it out as it goes to sort of simulate that snake head. Half on, half off. I'll use the round peen side of my hammer to draw out those cheeks just a little bit more. Just like so. Now on to the decoration. Just gonna take this guy, set him in the jaws. slightly more organic. Simple little snake. Not the best, but the very first one I ever made, so I don't expect it to go so well. Made out of some scraps that I had in my scrap bin. Fun little project, and to have at the TTRPG table. Tabletop RPG table. Yes? Maybe? Is that the proper way to do it? I'm not too sure. Anyway, if you like the video, please like it. If you dislike the video, please go ahead, feel free, dislike it, and let me know why in the comments below as to why you disliked it or liked it, so that way I may better produce content in the future. It's been an absolute joy having you here. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. I plan on just getting better and better and better and better as time goes on. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, that's all my pandering for the day. Thank you so much for joining me. This has been Dylan of Gnarled Iron. Have a wonderful day.